Hello everyone. Today in this video of our daily model question paper, we are going to discuss few important questions from the topics forest report, KCC, Operation Green, one questions from this animal husbandry, one questions from horticultures. Means, the static agriculture as well as the current affairs, both we are going to discuss in this lecture. Okay. And this will be very beneficial for your the upcoming examination like IUPAS FO, Bank of Maharashtra FO. So let's start our video with the first question. Which of the following state have highest forest cover as a percentage of their geographical area? Mark the word percentage of their geographical area. Okay. Then options are Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland. You can see in the all the options are from northeastern states. Okay. Question is not asked regarding the which of the following states has highest area of forest cover in our country. That will be MP. And this question was asked in the this IUPAS A4 Mains 2019-20. Okay. But here the question is asked about that percentage of their geographical area, of their total geographical area, they have the which state have the largest cover of forest among the these following options. Okay, then Mizoram has the highest forest cover as a percentage of their geographical area. Then our answer is Mizoram. Next is total forest cover plus tree cover in our country is what percent of our geographical area? Okay, see 24.56, 21.67, 2.89, 24.39, then 33%. Okay, let's see. According to Indian State Forest Report, when you talk about then forest cover in our country is 21.67. This from the latest Indian State Forest Report. Okay. Again, tree cover in our country is 2.89. Okay. Then when you add this both forest cover plus tree cover, then it is 24.56%. Okay. And 24.39, this is as the previous before tree plus and forest cover was for 24.39, but according to the latest Indian State Forest Report, it is 24.56, and this is the what it should be. Means what percent of our geographical area should be under forest? That is 33%. But this our answer to this question is 24.56. State with maximum bamboo bearing area. Then according to the latest Indian State Forest Report, and then if you saw the largest state which is bearing maximum area under bamboo, that is which is that state? Maharashtra, MP, UP, Rajasthan or Gujarat? It's MP. Maturity indices of jackfruit is determined by TSS, juiciness, aroma, sap and tapping. Okay, you must know this question was asked in the NABARD examinations. Okay, different fruits have different maturity indices. Like some fruits have maturity indices are judged by the TSS, some fruits it is judged by juiciness, some are judged by shape, some are done by tapping. Okay, but when you talk about the jackfruit, then its maturity indices is judged by the aroma. Okay. KCC scheme was launched in the year 1998, 1995, 2001, 2003, 2005. Okay, then you see this KCC scheme was launched in the year 1998 by this model scheme was prepared by NABARD. Okay, this this model scheme was prepared by the NABARD and it was launched in the year 1998. KCC scheme. See, I have told you that few questions or schemes established when the schemes was launched. This is very important because they may not go deep into the schemes, but they generally ask regarding the launching year of the schemes. Then you must remember the launching year of the various schemes, and we'll also be coming with the this update in a video where I'll give you complete information regarding the KCC. Okay. What time limit have been fixed for the issuing KCC to farmers after the recipient of the applications? Okay, when the farmers have filled all the required data that is required in the application form for KCC, then after that, after filling the application form, after submitting the application, within how many days the farmer should get the KCC, that time limit has been fixed. Then options are 10 days, 14 days, 20 days, 23 days, and 25 days. Then the time limit fixed is 14 days. Means after filling the application form, the farmer should get the KCC within up to 14 days. Okay. Farmers engaged in the animal husbandry activities and fisheries have been also included in KCC and have been extended the benefits of ISS and PRI with sublimit of 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh. Let me make you understand these questions. Before, KCC was not extended to, in KCC before, animal husbandry and fisheries were not included, but now in KCC, the farmers, those farmers are also covered who is engaged in the animal husbandry activities, always the fisheries. Okay, they are now also be given the benefits of the interest submission schemes, but with a certain limit. Okay, as for the in crops, regarding, we are saying that in KCC up to 3 lakhs loan were given. Okay, but on in case of the animal husbandry activities and fisheries, and this sub limit is of 2 lakh rupees. I've told you already that in one video I'll give you complete information regarding the KCC. Okay. Ministry of Food Processing Industries has extended the Operation Green from top to total for a period of 6 months on pilot basis on 10/6/2020, 15/5/2018, 26/1/2019, 2/2/2021, or none. See, this Operation Green means stop. This was launched in 2018, Union budget of 2018-19, and with an outlay of, with the line of Operation Flood, with an outlay of 500 crore rupees. Okay, now this has been extended. Before it was only for tomato, onion, and potato, but now this has been extended for all the fruits, horticulture, fruits and vegetables. Okay, and this for the period of 6 months on pilot basis, and this was approved on 10/6/2020. Longest phase in ostrich cycle of cattle is, then there are 4 phases in the ostrich cycles of cattle: proestrum, oestrum, metoestrum, diestrum. Okay, then when you talk about the proestrum, it is of 2 days, and this is oestrum is of 1 days. Okay. Okay, now one thing what I want to ask, that if you know, do you miss what the changes in the body of the cattle takes place in during this phase? Generally, sometimes from that topic also questions are asked in the examinations. Okay, see, suppose if we are talking about the different phases of like we are talking about the proestrum phase of the ostrich cycle in cattle. Okay, what happens in the in case of if you talk a proestrum phase, let me explain you. See, first we are talking about the proestrum. This phase marks the animal that are coming in the heat, and it is of 2 days. When you talk about this the ostrich phase, then it is of 1 day, and this period is of desire, where a cow is ready to where is cow is in heat and can breed in this phase. Okay, after that, there is a metoestrum phase that is of 4 days, and the last phase is of diestrum, and that is of 14 days. That is the longest part of the ostrich cycles. Okay. And then our question is asked regarding this only: which one the following is the largest phase of the ostrich cycle? That is diestrum. Operation Flood was started by the NDDB in the year. Means Operation Flood was started by National Dairy Development Board in the year 1970, 1950, 1965, 1918, and 1975. Okay, then the right answer to this question is 1970. Okay. Okay, see you guys in the next lectures with few important questions. Also, we are going to bring you videos regarding the few important topics like KCC, Operation Green, as well as the basics of the animal husbandry, basics of the agronomy. We'll be uploading the videos soon. Thank you.